Looking to make the most of your next underwater adventure? Whether you're planning to snorkel in tropical waters, explore a coral reef, or just enjoy clear views at the beach, having the right gear can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive into the top 3 of the best snorkel masks that combine comfort, wide vision, and reliable sealing to give you the ultimate snorkeling experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned explorer, stay tuned. Your perfect snorkel mask might just be one of these top picks. In the third, the Gwynty Snorkel Mask offers a full-face design that separates air intake and exhaust through distinct channels, ensuring smoother and healthier breathing by preventing carbon dioxide buildup. Made from high-quality silicone, the mask features a complete seal against leaks and includes a silicone layer that isolates the nose and mouth to minimize fogging. Its 180-degree panoramic view enhances underwater visibility, while the U-shaped notch adapts to all nose shapes, allowing natural breathing through either the mouth or nose. The mask is equipped with a camera holder, so you can attach a GoPro and capture your underwater adventures. The foldable breathing tube and dry top design add to the user experience by preventing water entry and making storage easier. Customers generally appreciate the panoramic view, the comfort, and the snug fit for all head shapes, including kids, and highlight that the mask is a game changer for activities like scalloping. However, drawbacks include mixed feedback about water leakage and difficulty breathing for some users, and others report inconsistent build quality, with a few claiming it's not worth the price. In conclusion, the Gwynty Snorkel Mask is a visually immersive and innovative option ideal for casual snorkelers and families, but potential buyers should be mindful of individual fit and quality variation before heading into deep water. In second, the Great Ever Snorkel Mask set features a dry floating valve and a flexible breathing tube, allowing for easy inhalation and drainage while preventing water from entering the tube. The tempered glass lens provides clear vision and UV protection and includes an anti-fog treatment for underwater clarity. With a single-layer lens and a hypoallergenic silicone skirt, this mask delivers wide-angle views and comfort, especially during long snorkeling or scuba diving sessions. It's particularly praised for fitting well on different face types and accommodating larger noses. The mask is adjustable, has a low internal volume suitable for freediving, and provides a full 180-degree field of view. Users note that the build quality holds up well, even with weekly use, and the silicone skirt prevents allergic reactions, making it great for prolonged underwater exploration. However, some users report water leakage into the nose compartment, which can hinder comfort and usability. And while the materials are appreciated, there's limited innovation compared to newer full-face models. In conclusion, the Great Ever Snorkel Mask is a solid, classic choice for snorkelers looking for dependable performance, UV protection, and comfort. But it may not be the most advanced option on the market if you're seeking cutting-edge breath systems or a truly panoramic experience. And to finish, first of all, the Seaview 180V3 Snorkel Mask features Flowtech technology with 2 air chambers and 4 intake valves that provide up to 600% easier breathing compared to other full-face models. It includes one-way valves and a separate breathing chamber to ensure a continuous flow of fresh air and minimize CO2 buildup. Designed by expert engineers and tested by third-party specialists, the mask prioritizes safety, airflow, and user comfort. It offers a 20% larger, 180-degree panoramic view with improved visibility and an angled snorkel tube that stays above water more effectively. The camera mount is now located near the chin, swivels for better positioning, and helps capture adventures underwater more easily. The mask is fog-resistant and leak-proof, thanks to its advanced ergonomic and air circulation design. With 3 different sizes available, it ensures a more tailored fit than most other masks that offer only 2. Customers praise its breathability, expansive view, and overall comfort, noting it's great even for extended use in saltwater. Many highlight the durability and user-friendliness, though some users report breakage after first use, which raises concerns about build consistency. In conclusion, the Seaview 180V3 is a top-tier choice for those looking for innovation, maximum comfort, and panoramic immersion, though users should still handle with care and test fit before travel to ensure it performs as expected. In summary, choosing the right snorkel mask can completely transform your underwater adventures. Whether you prefer the panoramic view and smart airflow system of the Seaview 180, the reliability and comfort of the Great Ever mask, or the innovation and GoPro compatibility of the Gwinty model, each of these masks offers a unique advantage. Always consider your snorkeling habits, fit preferences, and whether you prioritize breathability, vision, or camera-ready features. With the right gear, your next dive could be the most comfortable and unforgettable one yet. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.